Hi guys, happy Sunday and welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna make some oxtail. I make some stew oxtail, and my plan here is to put everything in the oven because today feels like a lazy day. So let's get into this video. So we're gonna use some garlic, pimento seed, and ginger on the oxtail, along with some other sauce here. Then we are going with some grace oxtail seasoning. We are going about half a tablespoon of chicken seasoning, and the same thing for the all-purpose seasoning. Also going to use a little turmeric, not too much, just a little, along with some paprika. Alright, so now let's just combine. We'll cover this and make that marinade. First thing we're going to do is add some oil to our Dutch pot. Not too much. Sear the oxtail so the oil is heated. So now I'm going to place each piece of oxtail in the pot. That's going to be turning on the pot. Anyway. I guess you can get the word in to do. One go. So our plan here is to do quick and fast. We just want to get the color on each side. So we brown it, take them out, saute some season, that's them in the oven, couple hours, and we're done. And let's go on. Things over, and then you can't use it. Alright, so I chop up some vegetable now. We are going with onion. We have onion, bell pepper, celery and thyme. I already have garlic and ginger, pimento seed. I'm going to season the meat with that already, so we're not going to add that. I'll go with the onion, bell pepper, so I have green and red bell pepper. Let's chop this, make it smaller. Pepper, green, Not onion, tomato. Boy, I will pepper. So I'm going to say everything. I'm going to like it one drop off of the bowl. I made a piece of dry rosemary in our freezer, and I guess it changed color. Meantime, I'm going to set this aside. Alright, so this transfer them to a bowl. After finish stirring, alright, so I'm going to add all of my vegetables, pepper, cinnamon, and thyme to the pot. I'm going with a spoonful of tomato paste. Come on. I'm going to go in with the rest of seasoning from the bowl, with the ginger and the garlic. So better than bouillon, I'm going to take a spoonful. I'm going to add like 1 cup of water. With that water. And dissolve it. Okay, and then I'm going to add it too. I'm going to go in with another cup. I didn't add anything else. It's the same amount that I put in here. Just add back some water. Pour it in. Cook mine up. Make this bubble for like maybe 2 minutes, and then we come back. I'm also gonna add a spoon of green seasoning to the pot. Guys, I have some syrup on the stove over the jar. Someone want to try a little tip in it? Let's see what I get. Don't tell nobody, don't tell nobody. Alright, so we're going to place our oxtail inside of the sauce. Any sauce on the oven in the bowl. Just strain it off in the pot. Guys, I'm removing this knob from the Dutch pot because it's plastic. But if you have an oven-proof or safe pot, use that. Cover the pot and place it in the oven. 375. Couple hours. I'll let you know how long. My phone is dead, but me I go look on what the hell that? I'd eat that. My phone just conk. I can't carry this too much. You know, and the pot drop. Alright, it's supposed to be better, right? Alright, so we have 1 hour left on the oxtail. Yeah, I think it will work. I did set a timer for 3 hours, but I went in 2 hours after just to check to make sure it didn't want any liquid. So I'm just going to cover this back. Push it in back. Alright guys, so we reach a 3 hour margin. Make us see where I'm going with the pot now. Okay, I think I will finish this on the stove top. I'll put the bean in. She's a disgrace. Some beans. Guys, after you add the bean, you can just allow it to simmer down till the gravy thickens, or you can make a little slurry with some flour and water or some cornstarch and water. Add to it. That is only if you need a lot of gravy. So after it dried down, this is what it's supposed to be looking like. Thick, pretty, and look absolutely delicious. Guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. I appreciate you guys. Bye.